Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I also shared my workout with you. It wasn't anything out of the ordinary. I just did a Peloton workout this morning. I've gotten ready, got dressed. I have this adorable tank top on, which I'm obsessed with. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. I got them on Amazon and they have like a shelf bra in them and they're just so cute. And I found like the perfect pair of jeans as well, but I can't link those because I got those from Marshall's, but they're like the mom jeans and they're just so cute. So I'm going to have some breakfast. Right now I made my coffee way too light. I forget that even with the small amount of creamer, when you froth it, it gets like, it triples the amount. So I'm just gonna adjust my coffee a little bit. So I am having, for breakfast this morning, I am having a light English muffin, which is 2 points, and then I have a teaspoon of peanut butter on each one, which is also 2 points, and then I have a bowl of fruit. And I have my coffee, which I do not count my first coffee of the day. It is only 2 points anyway, but I do not count my coffee. So we are gonna go have some breakfast. I am so excited and I'm starving from my workout.
I was wondering if it will unsuspend them at the end. Ooh, that's fancy. Fancy Nancy.
All right, so I went on a little over 2 mile walk and I have to bring Clayton to cheer in a little bit. So I am gonna eat dinner now because I'm just starting to get hungry and I don't wanna have a snack now and then kind of mess up my dinner. So I am having, I also filmed a meal prep video today, so I'll show you what I made. But I made some whole wheat pasta with some homemade bolognese. The pasta's not homemade, sorry. It's literally, I meant to say whole wheat pasta. Like that's from a box, I definitely did not make that. Some whole wheat pasta and some homemade bolognese sauce with a cup of broccoli. So all of that is going to be 4 points because I am gonna add a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese. It is 5 points for the sauce, but I get a point back for the broccoli. And I'm on the plan, I picked whole wheat pasta to be 0 points for me. Woo! It is hot, but this is what I am going to be having for dinner. Like I said, I'm gonna just put a teaspoon of this Parmesan cheese on. I'm gonna fill up my water, and that is what I'm having for dinner. All right, so this is everything that I did from grocery pickup from Star Market, which is the same as Shaw's, depending on where you live. I got 2 pounds of strawberries. We're gonna soak these, and I'm so excited because I finally got some green grapes and they are looking amazing too, for the most part. A couple yucky ones in there, but to be expected. This big head of romaine lettuce, some carrots, 2 English cucumbers. The kids requested these for, you know, just for being outside and all of that. So it is gonna be getting hot weather, and there's always friends here, so I like to have stuff like that on hand. These are my favorite for an after dinner treat, these fudge pops. I got, Austin's playing a video game with his friend, I'm being very loud. I got 2 things of watermelon, got some bananas, some of these yogurts for Kevin for work, some of this creamer. I like this one a lot better than the Chobani one. The Chobani one tastes a lot like vanilla and not like sweet cream, so this one is my favorite. I got some more Laughing Cow cheese. This is a really good snack. These are only 1 point for, good job, baby. Leighton's playing a learning game on our iPad. These are only 1 point, so I like to have these with like some Triscuits or with some veggies or something like that. They're really good. This with some everything bagel seasoning and like some cucumbers or something like that is a super yummy snack. I got my favorite coffee. It was on sale, so I got 2 of those. I got this Triscuits reduced fat I think these are only 2 points for 6. So I got that, and the kids love Triscuits too, so I got some of those. I got some of these to start stocking our downstairs drink fridge. These are a little bit better than Gatorade. I thought I was buying the zero sugar with this one, but I did not by mistake. So I got 2 of the zero sugar with this one, the lemonade, and then a little bit of snacky stuff. Got these for me when I want another little different treat other than the Fudge Pops. I got these to try. I haven't tried these, like the rice chips. So I got the Farmhouse Cheddar. I think these would be kind of like maybe Doritos or Cheez-Its or something maybe. I haven't checked the points on these, but I know these are typically like kind of low points. So at least the regular rice cakes are. And then the sour cream and onion, or sour cream and chive, same thing I guess. Rice cakes, and then some of these for the kids. These are like their absolute favorite granola bars. All right, we are home from cheer. I'm actually already in my pajamas, but I am going to end my night with 2 of these no sugar added Fudge Pops. You don't have a shirt on, Austin. No, and I am ending my night with, let's see, I got a ton of working out in because I went for a walk twice and all of that. So I don't even know how many points it gives you. I know it gives you extra points for working out, but I had 103 minutes of working out. Let me flip you around. But let's see. I still have 2 points left because I didn't have a lot of snacks today. I find when I'm home, I don't snack nearly as much as I do when I am at work. So I had actually over 100 ounces of water. And then, so for breakfast, it was 4 points because I had a English muffin and I had fruit with it. And then for lunch, I had that burger and I added some Ruffles with it because I was gonna have a bag of Pirate Booty, but for 3 extra points, I could have 12 Ruffles. So that's what I went with. My dinner was the steamed broccoli with the homemade bolognese sauce and the Good and Gather. Oh, you know what I didn't add was, oh, I did add, no I didn't, was the Parmesan cheese. Oops. Parmesan. You'd think I can't spell to save my life. Parmesan cheese. There we go. 1 ounce. I had 1. I actually had 1 teaspoon. But whatever, I don't know how much that is. We'll track it. I think it's probably 0 points if 1 teaspoon is, let's see, grated Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese. Let's see. It's not Kraft, it's like that 4 cheese one, but 1 tablespoon, it's actually 0 points, so I don't need to track it at all. I thought it was 1 point, so I still ended with 2 points for dinner. I'm sorry, 4 points for dinner, 2 for snacks. I had an hour and 43 minutes of working out, and I have 2 points left for the day, but I won't need that. I definitely need to get in more veggies, but I did pretty well today. I feel like I always do well on Mondays when I need to like reset because I use my weeklies on, the weekend. So I don't track usually on Saturdays. So by Sunday I'm like, and ready to eat good and track all my food. So I'm just making Layton some pasta because she is hungry. She wants a second dinner because she ate before she went to cheer. So I'm just making her some pasta. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my popsicles and then I will be done for the night, and I like to be done eating before 8 o'clock as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.